Hi friends, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to prototype character printing effect in Figma. So I'll have a word and each of the um, characters would be printed. That's one after another. So so it's going to reveal the whole word, but one character after another. So would first import our frame. So we'll be using desktop frame for this prototyping. So I'm going to import frame. I'm going to choose desktop. So I'm going to, I can type in anything here. I can just make this, I can say friends of Figma. Just make this 98. I can bold in this if I want and centralize this. Now I will have a rectangle which I will use to hide this this sentence. Now I'm going to make this rectangle. I'm going to change the color to white. Constraint to the center. And just all right. Now I can zoom out. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to move this to this place. I'll go to prototype. I'll connect nodes from here to here. I'll say after delay. So I can make this. This can be let's say 200 milliseconds. I make this smart animate. Smart animates. I can say 8,000 milliseconds, which is 8 seconds, because I want it to be quite slow. So let me present this now. As you can see, each text is printed one after another. So see the effect once more. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.